Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have a protective style in. I am going to the Dominican Republic and I did not want to fight with my fro. So I decided to go ahead and install these jumbo triangle braids and I'm absolutely loving it. And I figured why not show you guys how I installed them. This video is definitely for beginners, just showing you how you can add the hair onto your regular hair, if that makes sense. It's not going to be super long because I try to do videos that I know I want to see, and I don't like videos where I'm like, okay, get to the point, guys. Like this video is 15 minutes and you're doing the same thing over and over again. So this is going to be a really quick video just so you guys can see how to install the braids. Unfortunately, I'm not going to show you guys how I parted my hair because I'm going to be honest, I did not part my hair. I did have my friend come over and part my hair for me. I also want to mention that I wanted to really protect my hair, so I actually braided my hair and installed the braid within the braid, if that makes any sense. If you guys see up close, you will see like a smaller braided pattern within the braid. It's just because I really wanted the ends of my hair protected and I didn't want to have my hair out at all. Before we jump into this video, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys the hair that I use. So I have the X-Pression hair from Outre in the color 1B. This is 52 inches and this is the pre-stretched hair. This is super helpful for anybody who has never done braids before because it's going to save you a lot of time on the stretching since it's already pre-stretched. If you guys see the ends look amazing for braids, so you're not going to get that blunt cut at the bottom and you do not have to worry about trying to stretch the hair yourself if you don't know how to do it. So I use 3 packs of this hair, and the best way for me to describe how much hair I use per braid, each one of these little bundles took care of 3 braids, so 3, 6, 9. So 1 pack took care of 9 braids. I use exactly 3 packs, so there is 27 braids installed, which is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want to go over 30, so this is perfect. To show you guys how long the braids are, they go all the way down, basically past my waist, almost hitting my hips, so they're pretty long. For reference, I am 5'5", so if you guys are shorter than me, you might want to cut the hair. That's totally up to you. Now, Outre did send me this hair, so I don't know how much this hair costs, but I'm going to guess it's probably not more than $7. As far as actually installing the braids after the parting, it took 3 hours. No, I think less than 3 hours. It actually took like 2 hours to install the braiding. That's not including the parting. Obviously, parting takes a lot longer. So once you get past the parting process, then it took me like 2 hours to put the braids in. I did do the rubber band method for this style. I just find that a lot easier for beginners. This is the 3rd time I've done my hair myself in a protective style, so I am still fairly new to this. So this tutorial is really going to be if you're like me and you're just trying to save some money and you don't really want to pay anybody to do it and you're new to braiding, this tutorial is definitely going to be for you. Let's go ahead and jump into the installation process. Okay guys, so this is how my hair is parted. I just want to show you what it's looking like, and as you can see, each individual section is already braided down. I don't know, I just felt like this would have been the best way to do it. So what I'm going to do is take a section of hair. Remember I said I took 3 sections of each bundle, and then I like to run my fingers through the hair just to kind of like detangle it and also further stretch the hair. You want to hold the hair like this, so you want your hair to be one section and then the braiding hair be the other 2 sections, because to braid you need 3 sections. Then what you're going to do is twist, grab one section with your middle finger and begin braiding. Then as you go down, every time your hair is in the middle, you want to borrow from one section. This allows you to still have 3 sections even when you're done braiding your natural hair. And you just want to go ahead and keep braiding down. This is so much easier to watch and learn than to listen and learn. So if you guys have to rewind, feel free to do so just so you can get the hang of it. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to have my hair as the 3rd section and the braiding hair, twist, grab with the middle finger and just go ahead and start to braid down. This isn't the only method of installing braiding hair, but to me it is the easiest, especially for beginners. You guys are more than welcome to not braid your natural hair so you don't have that additional braid within the braid. You can go ahead and just leave your hair out and do the same method, but to me I just felt like it was protecting my hair. So I'm gonna do the last section. I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers through it just to stretch it out, and I'm going to go ahead and install it. Twist, grab with your middle finger, and start to braid. It's really easy. Once you get the hang of it, you guys will be flying through this process. You could cut any straggly hairs off, just don't cut your hair. And then when you're done, you just want to dip the braids into boiling hot water. Please be really careful. Have a towel, have mittens, have whatever you need to protect yourself. Boiling hot water is going to soften up the braids and help seal the ends. So then I just decided to put in these little gold and silver beads, you know, just to accessorize, and that's it. So I just wanted to show you guys the back, what it looks like. I love them. They look so cute, and there's so many ways to style them. They're so versatile. Okay guys, and that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if you're into protective styling, what kind of protective styling you're going to be doing. Spring break is right around the corner and we got to protect our hair, girl. We cannot be having our hair out with all these water activities. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.